So we started out right from the beginning having our, Grace has joined us from right from the beginning. So we were small, started from zero, and decided to move to Nashville, and that's where we put our stake in the ground to kind of build that model. I think helping people at times in their life when they need a consistent cleaner and a consistent company to help them through some times, maybe an illness or something that they're facing. So I think helping people have a consistent service all the time, and our teams care about our customers, so that's been a big part of satisfaction from my point of view.
I like getting to know people and their stories, and certain customers definitely have a soft place in my heart, specifically people who are like grandparents, because I don't have any grandparents locally, and sometimes we have older customers that don't have family close, and so I think those are my favorite customers that I get to interact with, because they really just love a genuine human connection, and they get excited to see their cleaners each time, and they kind of, because they're seeing these familiar faces, they get to kind of build a friendship and relationship that they normally wouldn't. Beyond just offering a higher level of service and being consistent with the quality we deliver, I think that's important, just that we have, we're developing a brand that people can count on. And since we've come along with Premium Service Brands, their nonprofit Kids Lift, the past year we've done a few projects with them, and it's definitely given us a foothold into the community in ways that we can partner and partner with schools and really get to know those in our community in a different way that we normally wouldn't get to on our own.
When we service people, you don't know who they are. So you treat every customer very important. They're all the customers are important. So in doing that, I think you believe in what you're doing matters. So I think that comes down to it, that it's a personal business. Cleaning is. Some businesses are not as personal because you don't interact with people. But I think the interaction with our teams, with the office, and being sensitive to the various things that can happen, I think have helped build that bond. And I think we've made an impact in people's lives that way.